So we are going to discuss now the vector addition using the graphical method. So there are two ways to or three or more ways to add vectors using the graphical method. One of the method is called the head to tail method. So some of the books usually name this as polygon method or head to tail method. Okay. So say for example, you have two vectors here. You have a problem in example 1.5. In our previous example, we use a Pythagorean theorem on this and sine and cosine law to answer the magnitude and display direction of the displacement. And we found out that we have our answer is about 2.25 kilometers and 26.6 degrees north of east is the direction. So the problem states that a cross-country skier skis 1.0 kilometer north and then 2.0 kilometer east on a horizontal snowfield. How far and in what direction is she from the starting point? Okay. So since we're dealing here kilometers, 1 kilometers will not fit on our paper when we graph it. So what we're going to do is you use the scale diagram. Okay, we're gonna use a scale diagram. So we were gonna scale the 1 kilometer. This is now equal to about 5.0 centimeter. So A, we let the vector A as the 1.0 kilometer due north and vector B as 2.0 kilometer due east. And we let that R is the vector sum of A and plus B. So if we are going to convert 1 kilometer using our scale. So the 1 kilometer would become 5 centimeter. If you use this process, the same process, the 2 kilometers will become 10.0 centimeters. So our direction of north is along this side, south is along this, east and west. Okay. So the head to tail method, first is that so you draw a Cartesian plane. Okay, here. This is our start. Then you draw the vector A. Okay, you draw like this. So if you measure this, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, due north. Okay, in the direction of north. So 5 centimeter. Then if then you will draw the vector B. You put the tail of vector B to the head of vector A like this. Okay, so the vector B is uh, 2 kilometer or 10 centimeter due east. Okay, it's like that. So if you measure this using your what we call this ruler from the start or from the tail of A to the head of B, so the measurement is between 11.25 centimeter. And using our protractor, so we found out that this is 26.6 degrees from this positive x-axis. So if we are going to convert or scale back our result, so 11.25 centimeter divided by, so we say that, so you can cancel this. Back to kilometers is 2.25 kilometers. So our final answer would become 2.25 kilometers, 26.6 north of east. So that's how you do the head to tail method. You draw the A, then you add the B by putting the tail of B to the head of B. Then your answer A plus B is from the tail of A to the head of B. Another method used to add vectors using graphical method is called the parallelogram method. Okay. What is the difference between this and the other one? So this is our assumptions. So I already discussed this. So I'm gonna go now to the graph. Okay. So in parallelogram method, your vectors are in tail to tail. So both A and B are on the tail to tail. They are You draw them tail to tail. Okay, from the start, so you draw A in that direction, north. So and you draw B on east direction because it's going east. Okay. Then then the you draw a parallelogram. So this is equal to B here in magnitude, and also this is equal to A. So we form a parallelogram. The diagonal is the sum or the vector sum of A plus B. So if you measure it using a ruler, so you will get 11.25 centimeter. If you scale it back, you will get 2.25 kilometers. And if you use your protractor to measure the angle here, so you will have 26.6 degrees. So all in all, your vector R is 2.25 kilometer, 26.6 north of east. So that is the direction. How far and in what direction is she from the starting point? So from the starting point, he is about 2.5 kilometers and then in the direction of 26.6 north of east. Now, what happens if we are going to add three vectors using the graphical method? So in exercise 1.21, na kay postal employee drives a delivery truck along a route shown in figure 1.21. Determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant displacement by drawing a scale diagram. Okay, so this is the diagram. So if we let this one as vector A, and we let this one as vector B, and we let this one as vector C. So vector A is 2.6 kilometers due north, vector B is 4.0 kilometer due east, and 3.1 kilometer 45 degrees north of east is the vector C. Now, if we use a scale diagram like this, if we use a scale diagram, so to fit this in our paper, like what we call this one, graphing paper, we're gonna scale 1 kilometer is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So our 2.6 kilometer, we do the conversion, will become now 6.5 centimeter. So if you do the same method, the B will become 10.0 centimeter and C is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay. So the most convenient way of doing this is you use the head to tail method. Okay, first you mark where you start, or this is your starting point. So you draw first vector A. So here from here to here, this is 6.5 centimeter in the direction of north. And from this point, you add vector B from the tail of A, from the head of A. It's about 10 centimeter due east. Now, the the complicated part is the vector C, because vector C is 7.75 centimeter, but the direction of this was not straight line like the other two vectors. This one is the direction of 45 degrees north of east. So when you draw this, make sure that you know how to use your protractor. So your protractor would look like this, measuring like that. So dapat naka 45 degrees. So so if the problem says that this is measured from east of north. So it's it's gonna be different from this. Okay, so take note of that. Make sure you know how to use your protractor in dealing with what we call this one, measuring the direction. So if you draw now the three vectors, okay, it's also useful to make a Cartesian coordinates uh, uh, every junction so that it will help you plot more clearly. Okay. So the sum, vector sum R, which is equal to A plus B plus C, is from the tail of A to the head of C. This is our vector R. So if we measure this one, it's about 19.7 centimeter. If you convert this back to the scale using the year scale, so it will become 7.88 kilometers or 7.9 kilometers. So the answer for the book is about 7.8 kilometers. So we have an error here. It's so the error is due to the precision or limitation of our uh, tools like our cunning protractor and our ruler. Okay, so the final answer here is about 7.9 kilometers, 38 degrees north of east. So this is how you add vectors using graphical method. The most convenient way here is to use the head to tail method. Now, how about subtraction of vectors using the graphical method? Okay, so the subtraction of vectors using the graphical method, so we use the relationship of this to make it more simple. So the a minus b is just equal to adding a vector a plus the negative of vector b. So this is negative of vector b. So say for example, you are given 1.0 kilometers due north and 2.0 kilometers due east. Find a minus b using the graphical method. So this is our diagram. This is our, so we're gonna let again to scale this kilometers to centimeters. Okay. So our our 1 kilometer will become 5 centimeter and our 2 kilometer will become 10 centimeters. Okay. So uh the first formula that you can I mean method that you can use is you make that with A and B head to tail. So A and negative B head to tail. So we already discussed what is the negative of a vector. It is the same magnitude but opposite on the director of the original vector. So the A minus B is the vector from the tail of A to the head of negative B. So this is the diagram. So from the start, you draw A here. This is due north 5 centimeter, and then you add using the head to tail method. Instead of adding B, you add the negative of vector B. So the same magnitude but opposite in direction. So in vector B. So you add negative vector B. Then from the tail of A to the head of negative vector B is the A minus B. So we measured it about mga 11.25 centimeter. So if we convert it back into the scale, original scale, so it is 2.25 kilometers, but the direction now is north of west. So A minus B is 2.25 kilometers, 26.6 degrees north of west. So another way is that uh, with A and with A and B head to head, A minus B is the vector from the tail of A to the tail of B. So what does it mean? So you draw first vector A. So vector A is to the north. So A and B must be head to head. So in this direction, and you draw the second vector, make sure that the head of vector A is on the head of vector A. Then from the tail of A to the tail of B, So that is the A minus B. So we measure this as 1125 centimeter, 26.6 degrees north of west. And if we convert it back, so you're gonna have 2.25 kilometers, 26.6 degrees north of west. So that is the how you add vectors using the graphical method. So thank you for listening, and that's all.